Hi, if you got a screwdriver that is not magnetic but you desperately want it to be, all you need is a magnet. This here is a pretty normal refrigerator style magnet, but most of them will do. The stronger the better usually though. Then what you want to do is to put the magnet on the base of the screwdriver like so, and then move it downwards towards the end of it. Then lift the magnet back up and repeat the process a few times. And then, voila! What actually happens here is that the magnet aligns the so-called magnetic domains inside the metal of the screwdriver, basically so that they point in the same direction. This in turn creates a temporary magnetic field of its own within the screwdriver. Fun thing is also that this works with any other metallic object as well, like this normal kitchen knife for example. It's not as thick as the screwdriver and made from stainless steel, which is not as conductive as the metal in the screwdriver, but still. Also, if you want to make the screwdriver lose its new magnetic abilities, the quickest way to do so is to again use the magnet and then rub it back and forth like this over the screwdriver. Doing this disrupts the previously neat alignment of the atoms in the magnetic domains we've just created and turns them back into chaos again, making the screwdriver lose most of its magnetism, at least for now. Alright, a pretty cool little trick. Hope the video could help. Thank you for watching. Bye.